Hey there. Sorry, I haven't been posting. Kind of busy. Weekend shoots and everything. This is kind of delayed. This was way back the 21st of April. It's kind of long though. So if you're watching, grab popcorn, grab food, sit down and relax. Again, I'm sorry, it's kind of long. Try to shorten it out, but I can't. So enjoy. Now, get some to eat. Good morning, everyone. It's Saturday again, and I'm off to a wedding. I'll be shooting for Aldin today. I'll be meeting Dawn, and the thing is, we'll be shooting 2 days straight. Weddings SDE for this weekend, and I'm running late, so gotta get to driving now. Foggy days once again. It's really foggy today, just like yesterday. Okay, gotta go now. Gas stop. Gas today is like 126 here. Look at those dogs in the other car. Yep. Look at that Maserati, mate. Maserati. So there's the cars. How's your day, man? How's your day?
Very good. Did you bring any sushi, man? Huh? Did you bring any sushi? Gosh. Set up. Shut up.
Yeah. So Silas, can you give me your camera? It was my birthday the other day.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, take it.
Yes. Yes. Okay, take it back now.
All done?
I just need to put on shoes and then
Put on shoe.
Yeah.
Now that is a nice car out there if you can see it, but that's way far from me. Fucking nice car. Oldies. That is a fucking nice car. Yeah. Hope it does a side view that way you can see how it looks. Yep, that's a nice car. Nice car. Well.
What's up, Rick?
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Aldin,
Oh, it was. Nice.
your stuff is outside?
Yes, yes.
I'm gonna bring those.
Yeah, you can bring both.
Yeah,
What's
smile.
this one? Oh, yeah.
Where will I leave it?
Oh, this is Jason.
Jason,
Specialist.
you're in the vlog now. So we just finished the ceremony, and we were just using the C100, the two C100s, two A73s, and an A7S2. So yeah, now we're heading to the groom's place for the tea ceremony, and my hands is shaking. Yep. Anyway, I need to go now because go start shooting the interview. I'm waiting for my mates. I'm waiting for my mates to arrive. I'm ahead here at the groom's place for the tea ceremony, and I'm gonna eat Snickers for now. I wonder where they are. We should be on the way. Just 8 minutes away. I'll eat Snickers. Who's this, mate? Who is this, mate?
Why did you guys even get it in the first place? It's just stupid.
Because I like it.
What?
So what can you say about the A73, John?
The A73
This shit is very good. Even though I've
in
never
bed.
tried it.
You can buy them now at Ted's and Digidirect.
A73 is very good.
So yep, we're hanging out with the guys here. We're full. We're good to go. Sony A73. It's not mine, but yeah.
Very good.
Yes.
Is that a rich meal?
But no, you have crappy lens.
Frank Miller. Frank Miller?
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Is that expensive?
Pretty expensive.
Well, you have crappy lens.
It's like 20
Because it's Canon.
Oh. Oh, wow. Ah, that's bad. It's Canon.
I should got an A9, the 20 FPS.
Goodbye, Canon.
But then I don't think I'll be
Bye-bye.
able to use it.
Bye, Canon.
Wait, where are you going?
No, I'm leaving Canon. So you can see BMWs, BMWs, and more BMWs. Yeah, we'll be heading out to Woolwich Lookout in a few, but as of now, we're still chilling here in the groom's place. We just finished eating. I'm gonna go to the car and try to get my drone memory card and give it to Aldin for our SD today. So yeah, that's it.
Hey, malete Timo!
So yeah, this is the Woolwich Lookout. I'll show you. Look at those trees out there. It's cool, right? So yeah, I just arrived here before them, so I'm just gonna wait for them. I'm just gonna leave my camera in the car because I want to be losing it, because I'm working as a wedding videographer today. So yes. Ooh, look at this baby. Cool. Thank you, Aldin. So we're heading to the next location now, and it takes around 30-40 minutes to go. Like, it took us 40 minutes to go to the first location, then it's another 40 minutes to go to the second location. That's cool. Weddings. Yeah, boy. Sanctuary. Yeah, still driving. These two lenses. Oh, that's the colors of autumn. Oh, look at those trees. What the fuck is this place?
Can we fly?
What did you say?
Pungetang aldin.
It's a bad word. Wow. Are you talking to the tree? You have to shake it once, man. Shaking it twice.
Are they up there?
Yep.
You said we're gonna film here.
Nah, this.
Whoa. Where are they?
We've been sick for a while.
Alright, just back a little bit, Nice.
Alright, perfect.
Hi man. So how are you going?
Are you making a vlog?
Yeah.
Alright, now
One of the places you can come here in Australia. Vineyards in Yarra Valley. You can chill out there. Yep. And you can see the sun's like awesome. There you go. It's a nice place to chill. Yep, it's a nice place to chill. And I just left the camera somewhere out there where I'm gonna pass here. So they're still shooting now. And I'm just here. Hey. Heading back to the reception now. That's the couple over there, I think. Reckon? I don't know. Whoops. Didn't mess up the camera. You see some cows there? Yes, I can see some cows. Okay, we're at the reception right now. 96 parking left. Awesome. So it's been a long day, but everything is fun. This camera is fucking heavy. Carry it that way. Yeah. So yeah, I'm left alone here. I'm just following the bridal party there. Oh, there's parking. Now where do I park? Okay, look at that car. Shit, look at the car. Are you working? Or are you texting?
I'm doing business.
That's what he does and what I do on weddings. We do business, monkey business. And yeah, I'm in the reception right now. Check out that place. All the gears, I need to put them on one side. Okay, how many minutes?
it's 15.
You're gonna edit it in 15 minutes?
Yes.
With your eyes closed?
With my dick shrunk.
This is one of the most important things on a wedding. We eat in the dungeon. We're heading to the dungeon now. Yeah. We're clear.
Cover.
Yeah, we're clear.
Which one?
I don't know. Is it which one? I don't know.
Theater? No. It's a theater.
Here, isn't it a table?
There's no. Where's the food?
There is no food.
What the fuck?
This is the fire exit. I'm not gonna surf with you.
We're that hungry. We're that hungry. We're going back.
Stay, there's nothing down there.
You said there's food there. Excuse me, can I have one juice, please?
Can you give me lemon lime bitters
You wanna
and
use this? Aldin,
yeah, you can use that.
what do you want?
Hey, bro. Wanna go? You want to race? You want to race?
Then we'll bring you down cutlery. Come down here. When the next lot of speeches come up, we'll come and grab you as
Alright.
well, but we'll go and get your main courses out. And I know you guys have been working all day, so. Were you out at the ceremony as well, I'm sure?
Preps. We started at 8:30.
8:30, there you go, see? Won't won't be a moment. The girls will be down
Alright,
shortly.
thank you.
Bathrooms are here if you need them.
Alright.
Fantastic.
Let's have some juice.
How's your food, man?
Chalap, chalap.
Mine's better than yours.
Hello, fuckers. Wait, why is there only 4?
No.
They bring another one, right?
Calm down, man. Calm down. Calm down. I just want to touch you, man.
Are they coming down?
Dinner.
That would be perfect, Eddie. Fuck, look at that. Look at that shit.
Nice. I told you that shit.
Yeah, thanks, Master Thing.
Master Day.
Master Dick.
That's nice.
This happens every wedding. Like, this happens every wedding in this guys.
Mikel likes this one. Nice.
Nice!
Nice color, man.
Can you play that again? That special clip?
So, it's a nice light there, yeah?
And nice.
But what the fuck am I in there?
Oh, nice.
Get rid of my one, you fucker.
Money shot.
Nah. Oh, wow.
I should agree with these last two. They're not as strong.
What happened to the song?
Finish off the silhouette. I'll agree with these last two.
Finish on those.
Can you play that? I want to take a footage of that. What was it?
Which one?
The money one.
The money shot. Not the one with the girl.
That.
I'll give it some time. Hold on.
That's awesome.
Wait.
They wouldn't know about it. It's like, why are you there?
Wow.
This one. That one.
I like that one. Oh, who's that one?
What the fuck?
Who's that one? We're back from dinner.
Oh, okay.
Oh, we missed this guy. How are you, Kai?
Good. Hello.
Hi. Hi. Well,
Collection.
it's time for us to collect some
Collect some donation.
tips. Yeah,
Donation.
tips for working hard today. What is this? I have a feeling somebody did this. That's it. Kumusta, bro?
Utang ina yan si Don eh. Ha? Utang ina talaga yan si Don. Bakit? Kumembot pa nga. Kumura pa eh. Saan tong ano na to?
Hey, but really nice photo, man.
You're competing for the river. How much are you eating? Look at this ball sack. This is a ball sack. Team egg.
Game.
incredible work, man. The fact that you turned it around. Nah, but you seriously, I'm not even kidding. I had my wedding a month ago, and I'm trying to work out the music. The music was great. Like, I mean, but the shots you did, unbelievable.
Yeah.
You guys did a really good job, man. Honestly,
Thanks.
You can't hide it, like 5 cameras around in a fucking drone.
It's been a great experience.
yeah, we actually got the other side as well, but we we did show.
We couldn't take the view from the other side.
But you guys are an amazing team, guys. So thank you so much.
Okay, bro. Yeah. Heading home now. Heading out now. It's getting so funky tonight. Look at that. It's really fire today. Yeah, boy. Be shooting another wedding tomorrow, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because when I get home I'm gonna dive to my bed. So yeah, cheers guys.